In order to prove to you that it's easier than ever before to grow on YouTube and to get monetized, I just started a brand new YouTube channel right here that's already gotten over 60,000 subscribers and I've already made over $20,000 from it. In fact, I got this channel monetized in only 14 days. And by the end of this video, you're gonna have a step-by-step blueprint for you to do the same exact thing. Because if you implement the 4 things I share with you in this video and stick with these things, I guarantee you could get monetized on YouTube faster than you could have ever thought possible. In fact, several of you watching this video right now are going to get monetized from just a single video. So step number 1 is you need to make sure that your YouTube channel is set up correctly. There are several settings you need to make sure done. You need to make sure you have the right profile image, the right link in your channel, and the right banner. So let's dive into it. Okay, so if we look at my new channel right here, I'm literally going to show you step by step exactly how to set up your channel, starting with your profile image and your banner image. I would strongly suggest you steal this banner image right here. Subscribe to Be Smarter with AI, but do it for your niche. If we pull up my other YouTube channel, if we come over here and we type in Robert Benjamin, we're going to see that I basically have the same thing here. Click on videos here, we can see subscribe to grow faster, want to work together over here. So basically the same exact concept. Essentially, you should be using your banner image in order to give people a reason to subscribe to your channel. In addition to that, with your profile image, you need to make sure it is a big image of you. Obviously, this is an AI generated image of me. If we come over here, this is a regular image of me, but both of them take up a lot of space and they have a bright background. This one is white and this one's green, but basically we get the same thing across. It's a memorable photo and a really good banner. But those aren't the only things that you need to do. The next thing that you need to do is you need to come into your YouTube studio, click on settings right here, come into channel and make sure this contains a bunch of keywords about whatever you're going to be uploading on. Obviously on this channel, I talk about how to grow on TikTok, how to grow on Instagram, how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on social media. So I have some of my competitors in here, and then I have terms that my ideal audience might actually search for. In addition to that, if we come into feature eligibility right here, we can see all 3 of these are enabled. You need to go through each of these and make sure you do whatever you need to do in order to actually get these enabled. On top of that, if you come to youtube.com/verify, this will show you whether or not your phone number is verified. If you don't have 3 green enabled right here and phone number verified, YouTube isn't pushing your content out to the full audience because they think you're a bot or they think that your account might be spam. In addition to that though, we're still not done. You also need to make sure that you come over here, click on this, click on your channel, and then you want to click on customize channel. Now here, you need to do a few things. This is where you're actually going to set up your banner image and your picture, but you also need to come to your home tab right here and you need to set up these different playlists. I would strongly suggest you have one for you, popular, videos, short videos, and then posts. That's how I would set it up if I were you. In addition to that, if we scroll down here, you want to make sure you have a custom handle and you want to make sure that your description also matches those keywords that we were talking about earlier. So we can see here how to grow on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube. So this matches exactly what my page is about. In addition to that, you could put a link here if you wanted to. If you are a brand new channel, or you have less than 1,000 subscribers and you're trying to get those in order to get monetized, I would do this. You want to actually grab your YouTube channel right here. You're going to come over to Google and you're going to type in auto subscribe link generator. And what this is going to do is pull up this website right here, Social Video Plaza. You're going to click on this. You're then going to paste your URL in here. You're going to click on generate, and this is going to generate an auto subscribe link for you right here. Now, when somebody clicks on this, it gets them to automatically confirm whether they want to subscribe to your YouTube channel. It'll show up like this, and what this does is increase the amount of subscribers that you get, and you can add that into your channel right here and click here to subscribe, and it'll increase the amount of subscribers you get from people that come to your homepage. Now, step number 2 is you need to be very clear on what kind of content you should be uploading on YouTube and what your expectations are going to be in terms of growth, because you can't just go into a niche that doesn't allow you to grow really fast and expect to gain 100,000 subscribers overnight, because it isn't going to be realistic. So here is how you can actually figure out what you should realistically expect. Now, in terms of actually setting your expectations for how fast you could be growing on YouTube, you want to come back into your YouTube studio. You want to click on analytics, and then you want to click an audience right here. What this is going to reveal to you is a bunch of different creators under here that create content like you. We could see channels your audience watches right here. And what you want to do is you want to take the creators under here and you want to open them up in a new tab and see how many views they're getting a month and how fast they're actually growing, because that is going to allow you to realistically level set how fast you can grow and how many views you could be getting a month. Because if you just said, hey, I want to grow like Mr. Beast, or I want to grow like Rob, and you're not in my niche, or you're not in Mr. Beast's niche, you're kind of going to be setting yourself up for false expectations. Let me give you an analogy here. If you were becoming a nurse, you wouldn't say, I'm going to become a nurse and I'm going to make money that people make on Wall Street. Or if you were becoming somebody on Wall Street, you wouldn't say, I'm going to make money like a teacher makes. Why? Because they're different jobs, they're different career paths, and there's totally different salary expectations. That same exact thing happens on YouTube. You can't go into one niche and expect to get a certain amount of views, make a certain amount of money, or get a certain amount of subscribers if it's not actually possible. And if you look at these other channels under here, it will reveal to you exactly what is possible. For example, if I come into amplify views right here, and I pause this video and we come under here, click on view channel stats, we'll see he's growing 130,000 views every month and 2,000 subscribers. Really not that good. But if we come over here and we look at somebody else, for example, vidIQ, they're probably going to be at the higher end here. So if we come over here, view channel stats, 6 million views, 30,000 subscribers a month, this will allow us to actually see how frequently they're publishing, how many subscribers they get, how many views they get, and also when they started uploading videos, so we can kind of figure out, click on view channel stats to be aiming for, and we haven't actually saturated our audience until we hit this. Now, step number 3 is you need to make sure that you understand what keywords your ideal audience is going to be searching for and what is trending in your niche. And there's actually a really easy way for you to be able to stay on top of this. Now, that tool that I'm talking about is vidIQ, because they make this incredibly easy to do. If you come into Discover right here, you are going to see several different things that you could use. For example, if we click on outliers right here, we type in the niche that we want to grow on. For example, affiliate marketing. This will immediately show us what videos are getting small channels a lot of views. Like this video right here is getting this channel 30,000 views. They only have 40,000 subscribers, or 19,000 views. They only have 7,800 subscribers. And we could filter here 4 different things. For example, we could filter by how many subscribers they have, so we can only focus on videos from small channels. Or we could change the publishing date, so we can only focus on videos that have been uploaded recently. And you could do this with videos or with shorts, and this will reveal to you what's trending in your niche. In addition to that, we come to keywords right here and type in something like our niche. Again, for an example, affiliate marketing, and this will show us rising keywords, related keywords, matching keywords, questions, and this basically tells you exactly what you should be uploading on in order to reach your audience. In addition to that, this is going to show you, similar to what I was talking about before, which things actually have the potential to get a lot of reach. For example, if we talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing, 158,000 views. But if we talked about TikTok affiliate marketing, only 50,000 views. So if we make a video about Pinterest, we'll literally get 3 times the amount of views. So which video do you think you should actually make? Obviously, the one about Pinterest, because making one about TikTok is going to be a complete waste of your time. In addition to that, they also have things like this competitors feature where you can click on this, find your competitors, and be able to track all of their content and see which one of their videos are actually doing the best. If we just look at this quickly right here, we could see that this thumbnail style is clearly working for them because both of these videos are doing really well, getting a high number of views per hour, and they use the same style in both of them, and otherwise, I might have missed that. Now, if you go to the pinned comment below, you can get started with vidIQ for only $1. If I would have never gotten vidIQ, I would have never grew this channel so fast, and I would have never been able to start a brand new channel and grow it just as fast, because you can't get the information that vidIQ gives you anywhere else, and they have a full suite of AI tools that make it 100 times easier for you to grow on YouTube that I didn't even cover in this video. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and get it now. Don't let $1 be the difference between you achieving your dreams and getting monetized on YouTube versus you continuing to fall flat on your face. Now, step number 4 is you need to make sure that you're testing and you're doubling down. And once something works, you need to double down on it. If nothing's working, you need to be testing new things. Let me show you an example. So a perfect example of this is exactly what Dr. Jones has been doing lately. If we come into his stats right here, we could see his views are up over 300% in the last 30 days, and he's gained almost 12,000 subscribers, which is also up 368%. In fact, I'm sure you could tell when we started working together. with this video right here. As you can see before that, he was flopping, and now he's going viral. He's going viral, and it looks like his latest video is going to go viral again. And I wanted to show you a perfect example of doubling down on what works. If we look at this video right here, Ozempic Diet Weight Loss Costco haul, this video went viral for him. Over 129,000 views in only 3 weeks. And again, his videos before this weren't doing that well. So guess what we did? We got him to double down and do a Walmart video. And in only 2 days, it's got over 20,000 views. And it looks like this video is also going to go viral. In addition to that, if we look at this video, it did pretty well. 12,000 views. It's about a diet plan. Guess what? We followed that up with 10 Ozempic diet mistakes, and this video also did really well. And if we look at this one right here, we put the Majorno pen inside of his thumbnail. It did really well. We did the same exact thing here. 50,000 views the first time, 17,000 views the second time. So this shows you how to actually double down on things. You basically take the concept that worked and then you double down on it. You do that topic again from a different angle, or you change something slightly, like what we did with this Costco video versus the Walmart video. And essentially what this guarantees is that YouTube has an audience for whatever you're posting about. Because otherwise what ends up happening is you post things on YouTube and there's no guarantee they actually show it to people. Now, if you want to work together one-on-one to grow faster on YouTube, the same exact way that I helped this creator grow and this creator grow and this creator grow, and even was able to do this with a brand new channel of my own, well, please check out this video right here that walks you through step by step how I can help you grow faster on YouTube, guaranteed. Because if you want to get monetized, you need to get help from somebody that's a professional at getting channels monetized. I've literally helped thousands of people do it, and I want to help you too. So check this out right here.